Alright, let's dive into the world of local SEO and unlock its full potential for small businesses. Did you know that a whopping 46% of Google searches are seeking local information? That's a massive opportunity right at our fingertips. Local SEO is a game changer for small businesses, as it can significantly impact their online visibility and ultimately drive more customers to their doors. But with great power comes great challenges. Small businesses often struggle to stand out in local search results, facing fierce competition and constantly changing algorithms. So, what can you do to overcome these challenges and boost your local SEO game? It all starts with optimizing your Google My Business profile, using local keywords that reflect your business's location and services, and actively seeking positive reviews from satisfied customers. These key strategies can make a world of difference in how your business is perceived online. Now, let me share a success story that perfectly illustrates the power of local SEO. Imagine a small bakery that implemented these strategies and saw a significant increase in website traffic and sales. By simply focusing on their local SEO efforts, they were able to reach a wider audience and attract more customers than ever before. In conclusion, unlocking your local SEO potential is crucial for the success of your small business. By implementing these key strategies, you can improve your online visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more valuable SEO tips, and don't forget to share your own local SEO success stories in the comments below. Together, we can take your business to new heights with the power of local SEO. Let's get started.